welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm finally back. So today I'm gonna be doing a surprise room makeover. One of our roommates moved out, so we have one room that is basically empty. It just has a few pieces of old furniture. None of them really match, but we're gonna try to work with what we have. We have a new roommate moving in. She's one of my closest friends, and I wanna surprise her with a room makeover. As you can tell, the room is almost empty. That's why my voice is echoing so much. It's basically a blank slate. What I do love about this room is it has this giant window, so it allows a lot of natural light in. The theme that she said she wanted is Bohemian vibes meet Joshua Tree desert retreat. When she walks in, I want her to feel like she is going to a desert retreat. She gave me a budget of $500, so let's see what we can do with it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. So this is how the room looks like right now. There's a Lindemann IKEA desk, a chair that doesn't match, a bed on the floor, it's full size, a dresser over here, a nice big window, so at least there's a lot of good natural light in this room, and then a nightstand right there, and then mirrored closets. So this is what we're working with. We have a lot of mismatched furniture in this room, and we're gonna try to work with what we have, because the most expensive part of redoing a room is really just purchasing furniture. So I'm gonna try to make this work. This table has these really tacky red legs on it, so we can figure out something for that. I'm considering painting the furniture. Say goodbye to this hideous room. Bye. It is Thursday. It's raining so hard in LA. It's so scary. The thunder this morning was so loud. My whole apartment shook. But we are on our way to Home Depot. I'm gonna see if I can find some cute plants for the room, maybe some paint ideas. So we'll see what we find. So overcast. All right, so I just got out of Home Depot. I got some command hooks, a cute little plant, some white paint, and some paint brushes, and a pair of gloves. And I even got a free shower because it's freaking soaking outside. It's insane. So I got these yarns, so I'm gonna use these to make do-it-yourself pom-poms because the craft store charges way too much for them. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. So right now there's two pieces of brown furniture in the room. Not a huge fan of them. I think they're kind of dingy and just old looking. So we're gonna freshen these up by painting them white. I'm gonna take the hardware on them and spray paint it gold. So let's see how it turns out. Hopefully it will look nice. I'm gonna be using the chalk white paint that I just got from Home Depot. Cool, so now it's on top of a sheet so we don't get any paint on the floor. It's time to start painting. You guys like my painting outfit? Has banana. pick the hardware from the dresser and the nightstand, and I got a can of metallic gold spray paint. So I'm just gonna spray these outside. Just cover your face like this. You do not want to be breathing in the fumes of that spray paint. Trust me, it's not good for you. Okay, let's do this. So these are the furnitures fully painted with gold hardware. And here's the dresser over here. It's coming along. The knobs have been spray painted gold. And what I like about this chalk paint is you can actually still see the wood grain underneath, so it almost looks like a white wash. So it's looking pretty good. And then we last minute decided that we're actually gonna paint the desk too. So let's see how that goes. So we just applied the second coat of paint to the table, and it looks so much better now. It matches both pieces of furniture. And then with the red table legs, we're actually going to take them outside and spray paint them gold as well. And hopefully they will just look better on the table, so then we don't have to buy new legs. Oh yeah. Sorry, looking better already.
Oh no.
Your nails, I just spray paint them.
Look at that gold. You should do on your teeth, on your tooth.
So I picked up these two shells from Goodwill for $1.99 each. So it's so great. I think I'm gonna spray paint them gold. I was gonna do white, but I think gold would be really, really cute. So let's do this.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try.
All right. I'm about to show Mia her new room, and I'm so excited. This took me about a week to get together, so thank you for being patient.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
Well, I want to welcome you to the apartment with a brand new room, so I'm really excited to show you. So are you ready to see your new room?
I'm so excited.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, Alana. This is actually amazing.
Really?
Wow, where did you find this?
Okay.
So cute.
So this bedspread, everything on the bed is from Target. It's from the Opal House collection.
No way.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Wait, show me around.
So what's your favorite thing about the room that you see so far?
I like this thing with the candles, like the different levels. That's really pretty.
So it's crazy because this table is originally from IKEA. It's a plant holder. It's $30 at IKEA, but I got it for $8.99 at Goodwill.
No way.
Yeah, it was actually really cheap. And
What
then
a steal.
these candles are all from a dollar store.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah. So do you feel like I hit the theme?
You nailed it. I wanted like the relaxing boho vibe. It's very fresh. I love the white and gold. That's my favorite. Cute.
Yes.
I like this too. Oh my god, Alana, it's actually so amazing.
Really?
Yeah, I'm genuinely so impressed by you.
Oh my gosh,
it's so good.
I worked hard. I wanted to make you happy.
The bed.
Yes. Is it comfier?
It's so
It doesn't feel like a person bed anymore,
No.
right?
This is different.
Do you recognize your old
Yeah, what
furniture?
did you do?
So what I did is I painted it with something called chalk paint from Home Depot. And then I spray painted all the hardware gold.
I love the gold.
Just to update it.
That's really cute.
Because I know you didn't want to spend a lot of money, so I just
No.
wanted to kind of brighten up the furniture and make it look a little bit
It's
happier.
perfect, and it matches the table.
This is an IKEA table.
That's crazy.
Remember how hideous it
Yeah,
was?
it was so. You guys, it was so ugly. It was like red with wood. It's not cute.
Yeah, it
Now it's cute.
like, no offense,
Now it's so cute.
it kind of looked like a kindergartner's table.
It kind of looked like it was a hand-me-down from your parents, and then you just were stuck with it because you needed a table. But now it's cute. It's amazing.
Yes. So I know you love succulents, so I put a lot
Love
of
a good
plants.
suck. I'm so sick. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
I love a good succulent. Love plants.
So I put a lot of that, you know, to fit the desert vibe. Like
I
that.
love the cascading look here. It really it balances off that plant.
Yeah, and most of the plants are actually fake. There's only one real plant, so you only have to water this one.
Wow. Thank God I can't keep plants alive for the life of me.
And then I hope that school doesn't scare you at night.
No, it's very festival.
Very Coachella,
Very
right?
Coachella, yeah. And the hanging, what do you call that?
It is
A
a
wall.
macrame.
Macrame.
It's a
Wall
what do you call it?
hanging.
Moroccan. It's a Moroccan wall hanging. It's from Cost Plus, so it's a skull.
Cost Plus. It's beautiful. Everything, it ties together with everything else. The gold accents and the white. Oh!
It's Super Bowl Sunday, and we're the only ones not watching the Super Bowl, apparently.
They're getting rowdy.
Woo! Woo!
Sports!
Smart!
Who are the Rangers?
Okay, and I get
I love the patterns, and I feel like before this room was just like a room, but now it feels homey and it feels peaceful and relaxing. It's just such an upgrade.
Alana, do you want to describe where you got this cow skull, how you killed the animal
Yes,
yourself?
how did you do that?
Yeah, so I actually went to the middle of the desert and I saw this cow and I sacrificed him for you to make
Oh
this
my
lovely
God.
decoration.
I don't have to do that.
The vegans are gonna be so mad at me.
They are. Oh no. Wait, is it real?
I don't think so. It's from Cost Plus. What's your favorite pillow?
I definitely like, oh, they're all cute. This is my favorite. I like the unique shape of it.
Yeah, it's like a fan.
I also like the tassels of this one. Tassely, that's fun.
So everything on this bed, the pillows, to the throw, to this blanket, are all from Target. It's from the Opal House collection. And what I love about Target is that they will price match. So if you find something in store and then find it on their website for cheaper, they will meet that price and give you that discount.
That's awesome.
Yes, so
Love it.
we got a really good deal on all the stuff on the bed.
A true upgrade.
Yes, I'm so happy that you like it.
I love it. Thank